I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away.
Let me jot down a quick note here. With a 13.2-inch display and ultra slim dimensions, we're talking 5.5 millimeters, just 580 grams. This beautiful location, of course, can be my office space, because with the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2, you're getting the benefits of a full QWERTY keyboard, a trackpad, an M pencil, and even if you take all the accessories aside and we get rid of the lovely magnetic keyboard case, we get rid of the M pencil, then you're getting a gorgeously slim, stunning device. It's got a full high definition camera here, but it's also something that you can use to sketch things, to make notes, whether it be portrait or landscape, with up to 94% screen to body ratio. It's a device of firsts, as we've come used to with many of the Huawei products. It's got Huawei's built-in Meta-line antenna. That means even out here, in the middle of literally a beach kind of location, I've got a bunch of mobile networks available. What you also have here is 88 watt super fast charging and the ability to throw things throughout your Huawei ecosystem from one device to the other, be it your mobile phone or your MateBook laptop PC, you name it. It's got the ability to quick share things. I cannot think of a better place to enjoy a little sunshine and catch up on a couple of emails. From its impossibly slim, crafted, gorgeous design to its culmination of abilities, whether it be graphic design, whether it be emailing or your office on the go or any other media applications, the Huawei MatePad really is one device with a wealth of possibility.
You would never stay for someone that wasn't worth the wait. Counting down the